Hi there, we're back in the African bush again, and you can actually see a giraffe in the background with the mountains and stuff like that. And today I want to show you another product. Now it's not a new product. It's not a new product because the Sabre obviously is already out. But what we've done is we've listened to the people and we've asked the people, and there's a lot of people that said they didn't want the canopies on the windows because for the quick one-night stop and stuff like that, you know, they're not going to go through Africa or do an expedition that's going to last for months on end. So they don't actually need the canopies, and removing the canopies reduces the weight. So what we've done here is we've brought out what we call the Sabre Lite. Now the Sabre Lite, aesthetically, the outside dimensions are exactly the same as the Sabre. It's 270, 370 at the back. It's 1450 wide by 1400. It's got the same tracks that run on the top, and it is, like it says, light. It is slightly lighter. It weighs in at 70 kilograms. Now, a lot of people go, oh, 70 kilograms. The crazy thing is people are prepared to put 2 double jerry can holders on their vehicles, which weigh 50 kilograms. But when a tent weighs 70 kilograms, it's a major problem. The thing is with tents, all tents, is it's a spread weight. So obviously you need to look at the vehicle's specifications and carrying capacity. But it's basically carrying an extra person on the vehicle, because the average person weighs between 60 and 90 kilograms. In order to open the Sabre Lite, it's very simple. You just undo the clip. You just move the clip back at the bottom. I just like to clip them back. Do the same on this side. Just unlatch the clip at the bottom. And lift up. Okay, so we just hop up here under the little elastic. Take hold of the ladder. Just take hold of the ladder. Step back. So then all you want to do is remove the ladder from the cradle. Just pull the cradle down, take it off. So hold the ladder like that. All we do then is undo the 2 locks, adjust the ladder to the height required. Obviously, the way we've got it mounted on this vehicle, we only need it to this height, and just lock it in. Now all that is left to do is basically take the 2 rods out, hop up the ladder, undo the 2 clips, place the rod nice and securely in the bottom. Do the same on this side. Just make sure that it goes nicely into the ferrule. And there we go. So the Lite comes with the same 70 millimeters chip and foam, very good quality high density mattress. That is 1300 by 2 meters wide. And it gives you the same incredible space inside. It has a National Lunar light inside of the tent. It also has a pouch for your cell phone. It's got a USB charger built in. So it has these 2 beautiful big windows on the side. And that falls to the outside. Now a lot of people say, but how come you don't put the gauze to the outside and the flap to the inside? Now the problem with that is when it's raining, when you open the flap to the inside, all the water falls on the bed. But as you can see here, it gives you an amazing view and windows. And as you can just roll up and clip onto there. In order to close the ladder, it's pretty simple. You remove the clips, remove the ladder from its cradle. All we do is we pull on the straps to under the locks, slide the ladder down. Slide the ladder down, all the way down. Lock it back into place. All we do is we take the ladder like this, hold it like that, slot it into place, like that. Put the clip in, tension the strap, bring the ladder up, hold it there, put the second retaining clip in. Then it's just a matter of folding the tent up. I hold it there for a couple of seconds and flopping it over. Now the tent can take bedding. All our tents we allow for bedding, and that's some of the reason why we give it a bit of height. You know, everybody wants tents as low as possible and thin as possible, but then you've got no bedding in your tent. And the problem with that is then you've got to put the bedding inside the vehicle. And often there's no space, and especially when it's raining, that becomes an issue. So you can put 2 pillows, a fitted sheet, and a nice duvet or a nice sleeping bag in the tent. And what we do is we've made space at the end. So we put the pillows at the high side and we put the duvet at the low side. And it all goes at the back, at the end, before you start closing up the tent. Keep your fitted sheet, nothing between the mattress on the Sabre or the Sabre Lite or the Sword for that matter, because we haven't allowed for any bedding on the mattress as it is, but we have given you space, ample space, for a nice amount of bedding. In order to close the tent, all we do is we hop up here, bring the elastics around, pull down on the lid, just help it in there a little bit, and on this side a little bit. Here again. If it's sticking out a little bit, there we go. So much effort. Under the latch, bring the clip down, clip it in that side, do the same on this side. It's under the latch, clip it in that side, and there we go. We hope you've enjoyed this video on the Sabre Lite. Yes, it's not a new product, but it is slightly different, and we just wanted to show it to you. And hopefully you guys will let us know if you think it's beneficial and if you think it's a good addition to the already fantastic range of Eezi-Awn tents and products. Happy camping from the Eezi-Awn team.